that the pointer is in is generally just the cortex. And this is on, what's in the book? I have to look at it. Yeah, 604. So this is the cortex, and this is the medulla. And do you see those circular structures in there? Do you see them? There's some here. There's a couple of them right next to each other. Those are the follicles. And within the follicles, you have germinal centers. I could potentially ask you what cells are in the germinal centers, and that's real easy. B cells and T cells. Okay? Got it? Let me know when you're done.
Done.
Still done with that one?
Yeah.
Yeah? This last one is the spleen, which, you know, is kind of weird to look at, but it's part of the lymphatic system. And it likes to show up on practicals, so I like to show it to you. So, remember the spleen has two basic types of tissue. You have red pulp and you have white pulp. Now remember, it's not really referring to the color, more it's referring to the structures that are in there. The red pulp has red blood cells, the white pulp has white blood cells. Right? Do you remember this? The red pulp is what the pointer is in. Do you see that there? This is the white pulp here. Now, why is this darker than that? What has a nucleus? The white blood cells. Remember, white blood cells have a nucleus, whereas red blood cells do not. So when you stain it, it's going to automatically look darker. You put a bunch of those white blood cells together with nuclei, it's just going to look dark purple, isn't it? Yeah? Okay. Any questions? No. All right. So I would highly encourage you to